Oh, what's up with y'all boys, man? You know what I'm saying? What's up, little Dale? You smack. I'm trying to have this motherfucker propped up, though. Ain't gonna count. Bro, look, bro. Hey, listen, bro. I ain't shot in a little minute, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really shot since I've been in the Army, bro, so... And plus, this gun it shoot real, like... It's, like, real, like, powerful, bro. It got a lot of kick to it, bro. So, like, look, bro. Here go my first little targets right here. Like it got like some kicks and shit to it, bro. Like, I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying? I don't know whether to aim down or aim up. So, shit, it is what it is. We finna get it right, though. You know what I'm saying? We finna get it right. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, boy. We finna get it right, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go for headshots right now. Bruh, nigga, but look, y'all finna see it pop up, but it pop up when I shoot, bruh. Real talk. Real talk, but it do a lot of pop-ups, bro, when I shoot, bruh. So goddamn, so we finna really see what the business really is, man. I'm finna go for headshots though, bro. God damn, this shit hard as fuck, bro. Damn, bro. Fuck it, I'm just gonna shoot this one. Dang. Careful. Alright, so look. Here we go. Alright, hold on. Alright, so look. Oh shit. Alright, so look, bro. We finna. We'll leave. You smack. Alright, so look. You see, I got the purple. I'm at the pink. Alright, so look. Hold on. I really want y'all to see how it got down. You know what I'm saying? I really want y'all to see how this shit got down. How it kick, but it do a lot of this right here, and I don't really like that. That's why I'm finna get me another one. Oh shit. I'm really finna get me another one, bro. Alright, so hold on. I'm finna show y'all how this shit like go up. Hey, this how police be shooting. You know what I'm saying? That shit jumping, bro. I'm telling you. That shit jumping. Boy, this shit tripping, boy. I ain't gonna care. Hold on. This shit doing a whole bunch of jumping, bro. What you mean? But that shit. Bro, there's too much jumping, I swear to God. That shit too much jumping, bro. Look how... ain't no way I'm letting y'all niggas see this, I swear to God. Oh, my mama, bro. I swear to God, I ain't letting y'all niggas see this, bro, my mama. Yeah, y'all ain't seeing this, bro. I swear to God, y'all ain't seeing this, bro. Cause look at this shit. Boy, I can't let y'all see that, boy. It's just... I ain't shot in a little minute, though, so just chill. I ain't shot in a little minute. Waleed, go the fuck on, bro. Bro, Waleed, I really catch you. You know what I'm saying? I owe you anyway. Yeah, it's too much bounce, squad. I'm already knowing, bro. It's too much bounce, bro. Bro, this is a 4.5, bro. This shit way too big, bro. It's an FN 4.5, man. This shit way too big, bro. Hall of Fame school threat? I ain't know. Bro, you can't call a black nigga a school threat, bro. What are you talking about? You can't call a black nigga a school threat, bro. I'm finna let this bitch go, though. But I'll show it after I get done, bro. Shit. Dude can't shoot, bro. This is my first time shooting in a little minute, bro. And plus, this gun big as fuck, man. Bro, look how big this gun is. Just chill. This gun big as fuck. I don't care. Where I get this jacket from, this bitch pressure, ain't it? I know. I swear I'm finna just let this shit go though. I'm finna let this shit go though. I ain't gonna cap. Bruh, okay. Alright, look. Look, bruh. Look how far that shit is. Look how far that shit is, bruh. Alright. I'm finna try to hit. I should have brought my AR in here, though, bruh. I ain't gonna cap. Should have brought my AR in here, though. Alright, so look. This for y'all that never seen my gun before, you know what I'm saying? Got the FN, you know what I'm saying? The 4.5. It's cool. It's cool, but it's just too big, bruh. It's too big, bruh. Alright, let me get right, bruh. Bro, look how this shit is jumping, bro. Look, it's jumping, watch. It's almost like I ain't got to aim. I just like wherever the dot is, just like that's where I go, bro. Like wherever the dot is, that's where I go, bro. Like. See, yeah, bro. It's tripping, bro. See, look, bro. It's like wherever the dot is, that's, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really know how to control it, but I was hitting your ass, bitch. I was hitting his ass, nigga. That's what God, nigga. I was hitting his ass in the dome. Pow, nigga, I swear. And that was from deep, too, now. You know what I'm saying? That was from deep. That was from back there. But I'm telling you, boy, I got them spray your ass, Waleed. Hey, Waleed, boy, I will spray your motherfucking ass, boy. I swear to God. Hey, Waleed, boy, I will spray your ass. Real spill. Hey, Waleed, boy, I will spray, boy, real talk. Waleed, boy, I'm telling you, boy, I will, real spill, nigga. Real spill, bro. Waleed, I will spray your real talk, nigga. And that was from deep, nigga. You see how deep that was, nigga? I'm spraying, nigga. I swear to God, nigga. Real spill, bro. Hell yeah, though, boy. Hey, next time I'll probably come in here with my AR, though. You know what I'm saying? I missed a few, but, bro, most of them, boy. I ain't hit the paper yet. Shit, I been hitting that motherfucker. Hey, look, man, we smoking on Waleed pack right now. You know what I'm saying? Nah, Waleed my dog, though, bro. I missed a few. I ain't gonna count. I missed a few. You know what I'm saying? I ain't hit his head all the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm really just finna shoot all these, though. I ain't gonna count. Nigga said Waleed dead to me. Nigga funny as hell. But it's... God damn. Whatever. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Hey, this a fresh one, though. This a fresh one right here. All right? This motherfucker fresh right here. Ain't no count. Ain't no count, bro. This motherfucker fresh right there. All right? I gotta put some little tape on this motherfucker. Alright. Alright, bet. Copper sniper. Copper sniper? Hell nah, nigga. What the fuck I need a sniper for, bro? Alright, look, this motherfucker fresh, bro. A little faster, you know what I'm saying? Blowing up the Christmas tree, bro. I'm trying to hit these like shotgun guns right here. But shit, goddamn. Alright, bet. Bet, say less. Bet, say less. Yeah, this is an FN right here, bro. FN, but man, look, bro. Look at that right there. Some motherfucking FN 45, but that motherfucker really goddamn sliding too. Motherfucker sliding, bro. On the way, bro. Alright, so look. Motherfucker all the way back there. There's somebody else, but the motherfucker all the way back there. Alright, man. Motherfucker really goddamn sliding. Sliding on your head. Shit. And I got the scope on there. I see that motherfucking scope. Here we go, man. I'm just finna let loose too, like nigga. I'm just finna let loose, bro. I ain't trying to aim no nothing. One for the white. One for the white right there. One for the red one. One for that bottom red. One for that. Oh. Damn, this shit hurt. I'm gonna go home and play Call of Duty tonight. I'm gonna go home and play Call of Duty tonight. I ain't gonna care. What y'all think, chat? I don't think I hit none of them. I ain't gonna care. I don't think I hit none of them. But look though. Y'all see how me goddamn doing a whole bunch of moving and shit. I don't think I hit nothing, bro. We gonna see though. Bro, I hit one, bro.
Bro, I hit something, bro.
Bro, I only hit one. Barely, my nigga. That's tough. That's tough, bro.
Oh, God. I'm ready.
That's fucking tough, bro. I ain't got no sharpshooter aim, my nigga. That's tough, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, but I know, bro. Hey, bro, look, everybody that don't know about guns, bro, I'm shooting a 4.5 FN, bro. This bitch jump every time, bro. It's gonna pop up like that every single time. It's gonna do like this every single time, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I had my AR, I'd hit these motherfuckers, though. You know what I'm saying? If I had but, boy, I can't show y'all this, boy. The only thing I can do is just keep shooting. Real talk, nigga. Now, if I was, you know what I'm saying, a cheater, I goddamn put it right in front of me and just hit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, baby. Talk, man. Already talk, man.
You happy about this?
Man, man, listen, bro. The recoil crazy, bro. Recoil RL, nigga. AMP gun range? Nah. Alright, bro. I only got this much bullets left, bro. So I'm finna leave after I shoot these. So y'all niggas just watch me shoot these, bro. It's like 3,000 people in here, bro. 2,500. 2,500. It really is all about execution. Why this shit so hard to put in, bro? Pause. Pause, bro. Alright, bro. I'm finna let the clip go, bro. I ain't gonna care. I'm finna really let the clip go, bro. God damn. I'm finna really let the clip go, bro. Really let the clip go, bro. I ain't gonna care, bro. See, niggas, bro, they playing on my motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bro, niggas playing, bro. Like, you either gonna get down or you lay down, bro. You know what I'm saying? You either gonna get down or you lay down, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, stream card tonight. Have I ever thought about shooting something? So look. Oh, word. Fuck you. Yeah, real talk, boy. I see an op nigga. I'm telling you, though. I'm saying, y'all know how that shit go, man. You see an op nigga, you know what I'm saying? See a op ass nigga, but you see that nigga, what nigga? You know what I'm saying? That's how that shit go. Hey, nah, chill though, like. You know what I'm saying? See an op ass nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nigga talking reckless about that right there. Yeah, though, I just came to shoot this shit, bro. I just came to shoot all my bullets, bro. Take a little frustration. Just take a little frustration out, you know what I'm saying? That's it, bro. Take a little frustration, bro. Take a little frustration, bro. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, though. You know what I'm saying? Real talk, bro. Real talk, bro. Real talk, bro. Hey, this motherfucker official, bro. That coat hard. Oh, show the paper. Hey, so that last one, bro, when I was shooting all hard, this what this was right here. This all it was just right there. But when I first started, bro, this was the only one I hit.